Introducing the new Level 2 networked EV charger from Legrand. Each charger comes factory configured with the AmpUp charging solution and includes 4G cellular connectivity to provide a secure network with maximum uptime and reliability. Operating at up to 48 amps, the EV charger allows for fast charging that averages 46 miles of range per hour and utilizes a standard plug compatible with North American electric vehicles. The charger's versatile mounting allows it to be installed directly onto a pedestal or a wall to meet the needs of your installation. The 18-foot charging cable can be wrapped around the unit for storage or with a separate cable management hook. The single and dual-sided pedestals are designed to eliminate the need to use a junction box, as each pedestal is listed to UL standards that allow for terminations to be made directly within. Each commercial EV charger comes factory configured with the AmpUp charging solution for a streamlined setup and remote control of deployed units. Configuration out of the box is easy with the included quick start guide and AmpUp's streamlined onboarding process. No software installation is necessary, allowing the units to be up and running in no time. Leveraging the AmpUp management platform, property managers can choose how they want to provide access to chargers, as well as set any usage restrictions or pricing. The Legrand charger and AmpUp platform allows monitoring of energy usage and other statistics that help contribute towards EV incentive programs. Improve your tenants' access to charging with the networked Level 2 EV charger from Legrand. For more information, visit legrand.us/EVC.